Hello. So this is a review of the basic rules of differentiation. If you're taking a calculus class, whether it is in high school, college, or university, you're going to be introduced to other concepts first. But if you need a quick review for an exam, or you just coming back to review some calculus after some time, this is a good video. So we're just gonna start with the basic rule, which is derivative of a constant. So a constant is just like a number, like one, for example, is always one. So in this case, the rule we can review it like this. So let C be any constant, and we're gonna and I'm gonna use so let's say f of x, the function of x, is equals to C, which is any constant. So the rule is basically the derivative of any constant is always zero. So in this case, we're just gonna say, for example, f prime, the prime indicates derivative, and so the derivative of f of x is gonna be zero. So as simple as that, and we can do like a quick example. So what is the derivative of g of x, for example, and g of x is gonna be g of x, let's say is 12. So, and the solution is gonna be g prime of x, which is prime again is the derivative, so it's gonna be zero. So that's all we need. So simple as that. So the next rule is the derivative of a variable, and this one is simple too. So the derivative of any variable is 1. So same thing as before. So let's say f of x is equals to x, and we're just gonna say f prime of x is equals to 1. So very simple. And the next rule is rule number 3, which is very basically the power rule. Is known as the power rule, and this is an extension of the previous one, number 2. So number 2 is comes from this one actually. And so I'm just going to describe the rule first. So the derivative of a variable raised to a constant exponent is given by, gonna do, let's say is described by this. So let's say the function is f of x, and we have this variable x, and is raised to an exponent c, a constant exponent. So c is a constant exponent. So c is a constant exponent. Say just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any. And the rule is so f prime of x. So you just bring down the constant to the front, place the x, and c minus 1. So that's the rule. And let's do an example. And what is the derivative of h of x? And let's say h of x is x to the 4th power. There it is. So the solution is going to be h prime, which is the derivative of h of x. Bring down the 4, the x, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So there it is. So with these 3 rules, basically you can just do a lot of derivatives that are gonna appear in any calculus course. With this, you can get started and do derivatives of polynomials, and a lot of functions are polynomials. So this is a good starting point. If you know these 3, you're gonna start doing calculus. And this is all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.